Okay, quiz time. I have a question for you and some shocking facts about the keto diet that you probably haven't heard. Now, what season is the best in which to do keto? Well, if you guessed winter, you are correct, especially if you live in a temperate or a continental climate where you have a colder winter. This is the best time to do your keto because the combination of keto and the cold helps our mitochondrial cells. And this is great for longevity, but also for disease prevention and for loads and loads of energy. Now, you wouldn't really have a lot of access to tropical fruits and the very sweet, high fructose fruits in those cold winter months. So this is why, yes, based on eating our local diet in our local environment is very important in terms of our overall health and our energy levels, especially when you're trying to do the best for your weight loss for that keto diet. So today I shared all about some shocking facts about the keto diet and what season is best to do keto. For more keto diet tips, check out my video, 9 Tips for Keto Weight Loss.